Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walmart. We have not been here in a couple weeks, but we got some really good deals that we're gonna get into. I'm gonna do some Ibotta rebates, some swag bucks. Y'all, we got some really good clearance. This is actually my second store. I went to the first store because I wanted to check out their clearance and they did not disappoint. Matter of fact, let me show you what I got there before we get started at this store. So the first clearance I wanted to check out at that store was in the body wash because I knew some of the Olay and also some of the Dove products, especially the Body Love line, are being marked down. So I went and checked and I did find a couple bottles of the Olay Premium Body Wash for $1.99. Now our $5 Ibotta rebate does not apply for Walmart, but we do have a $5 off of 3 printable coupon. So you could pick up 3 of these for $6 if you could find them, and then use that $5 coupon. That would make your final cost $1 for 3 bottles. Now I could only find 2 of the ones that were marked down for $1.99 at my store, so I actually picked up one that was marked down for $4.38 as well. That made my final cost only $3.36 for those 3 bottles. I also found some Safeguard hand soap. This looked like it was leftover from the holidays, on clearance for only 74 cents. So I definitely grabbed that because we have $1.50 back on 2 on Ibotta, which made those completely free. And then I've been doing this moneymaker clearance deal on the 5-star folders for quite a while now. So these are 25 cents at my store. So 2 of them will total me up to 50 cents. But Ibotta has a rebate back for $2, making them $1.50 cash moneymaker. And you also want to be on the lookout in the deodorant section. I saw some really good markdowns there, but I have a lot of deodorant right now in my stockpile from Kroger when they did their markdowns a couple weeks ago. So I didn't go too hard in that section. I also found some markdowns in the baby section. This Johnson & Johnson shampoo was unmarked in my store, but it's actually on clearance for just $1.90. Now I didn't have any coupons or rebates on this, so I decided to leave it. But if you have that $2 printable coupon that you can get from signing up for like the Aveeno baby coupons, then this will be a complete freebie. I also wanted to do this deal on the Old Spice. So the $5 off of 3 Ibotta rebate has been working on the travel size deodorant for a little while now, but that is no longer working, but it is still working on the body wash. So I went on ahead and grabbed 3 of these body washes, which are completely free, plus a moneymaker when you grab 3 and get that $5 back. So here's everything that I got at the first store. In my first transaction, I just got the Olay products. I got the Safeguard, the Old Spice, and 2 of the folders. After my $5 coupon for the Olay, I ended up paying $10.02, and then I got back $8.50 from Ibotta, which made all of those products cost me just $1.50. And then in my second transaction, I just picked up 2 of the Safeguard soaps and then 2 of the folders. On that account, I only had a 75-cent Ibotta rebate for the 5-star, so I paid $1.98 for those 4 items, and then I got back $2.25 from Ibotta, made those a 25-cent moneymaker. So all in all, I've only spent $1.25 so far for everything that I got. Let's see what else we can get. And then after I had checked out at the second store, I also saw this post on Instagram by Sister Saving You Cents, and I knew I had to run back in and do this deal as well on the Mercy Valentine's chocolate. So you have to get the Valentines. You want to pick up 2 of these for $6.48. So that's going to total you up to $12.96. Then you're going to submit over to Swag Bucks for $8 in cash back. When I was putting together my list, that rebate was $5, but now it's $8. So $8 in cash back from Swag Bucks. And Ibotta is giving back $6 on 2. We have $3 each on Ibotta. And you also want to submit over to the Coupons app for 1 and to Alexa for 1 for $4 total. So that is going to give you back a total of $18 back after you spend that $12.96. You guys, this Mercy chocolate is a $5 moneymaker. So I did this twice actually, once on my husband's account and then once on my account. You guys, that was $10 in profit on this Valentine's chocolate with no paper coupons needed. All right, guys, next thing I'm grabbing should be an easy money maker. So these Palmolive Shake and Clean starter kits, there's currently $7 back on 2 on Swagbucks. They just increased it because it was only at like $5 or $6 this morning when I looked, but now it's $7. So we're gonna grab 2 of these and then we'll get back $7, making 2 of them a $1 money maker. Since this deal does have a limit of 2, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 4 and it should be a $2 moneymaker. The next thing I'm gonna do is a freebie on these Airwick starter kits right here. So these are $3.48 each. 2 of them should total us up to $6.96. I got $7 back on 2 on the coupons app, and I think I also have it on Alexa. I'm gonna pick up a total of 4 and then I'll submit for 2 on one app and then 2 on the other app. Next that we're going to be grabbing is on the Arm & Hammer scent blasters. So we're going to get a total of these for $5.44. We got 3 different rebates. Let me show you the breakdown on this. So 4 of these are going to total us up to $21.76. From Swagbucks, we're going to submit back for $7, and that's going to be $3.50 for each set of 2. Then we're going to submit back to Ibotta for $5, $1.25 each. And we're gonna submit back to Checkout 51 for $1.63 each. That's $6.52 back. Total cash back on these between all 3 rebate apps is $18.52. Gonna make our final price just 81 cents each, or $3.24 for all of them. All right, you guys, so next thing I'm gonna grab is 2 of these OxiClean laundry sanitizers. So these are $8.93 each. I'm gonna pick up 2 of them and then I'm gonna submit back to Swagbucks for $8. And then I'm also gonna submit back to Checkout 51 for $2.23 on each one. Gonna make my final cost $5.40 for both, or $2.70 each. I love this product, so $2.70 is not bad at all. So this next deal on the Jimmy Dean's Turkey Delights is really funny because I had picked these up because I had my offer saved for $5 back on 2 on Swagbucks. As soon as I picked them up and checked to make sure that I still had the offer, because you should always do that, especially with Swagbucks, I saw that it was no longer there, so I put them back. But then I walked down the next aisle, y'all, the offer was back and available for me to add again. So Swagbucks is playing all type of games, so I would move very fast on this one. But hopefully by the time I walk out of the store and have my receipt, this will still be available. But 4 of them are going to total me up to $10.92. And then I am going to submit back for $10 on Swagbucks because I can do this deal limit of twice. Then I'm also going to submit back for 71 cents on each on Checkout 51. That's going to make these free plus like $1.90 moneymaker, which is amazing. The next deal I grabbed was an easy freebie on the Easy Rinse razor. So we have a free after rebate offer on Ibotta. Now I did test out the $3 manufacturer coupon on these. That coupon comes out in Sunday's paper. That coupon did bounce back and it told me that it was too early to use the coupon, which was fine. It just grabbed this item for completely free. So this next deal on the Fancy Feast, I ended up returning. I saw it on coupon mode, and these babies should have been a nice freebie after this buy one get one free coupon plus the $1.25 Ibotta rebate. You can pick up 4 of them for about $10, and then you want to use 2 of the coupons. That'll pay for 2 of them, and then submit back to Ibotta for $5, which will cover the other 2. They're like $2.48 each. But when I submitted back to Ibotta, it bounced back and would not accept the rebate because I did use the coupons, which was interesting to me because it did not exclude coupons in the verbiage, but it did bounce back, and I submitted it twice to be sure. Now, something that dawned on me when it bounced back is that I was shopping at a Walmart store that has an updated system, and when I thought about it, the only time I've ever had a bounce back with coupons at Ibotta is when I was shopping at a Walmart with an updated system. So I'm not sure if that affected it, but I ended up returning these 4 and I just got the money back. So it was no loss, it was actually a gain. But I wanted to give you guys a heads up that this deal did not work for me with the coupons. So I split up my deal into 2 transactions. This is everything that we got at the second store. So my subtotal for my first transaction, which was the palm olive, I also got one of the big shavers, and I got the Old Spice, and I got 2 of the Airwick. That came up to $30.48. Then I got back $14 from Swag Bucks. I got back $7 from Alexa, and I got back $12.09 from Ibotta for that deal. That deal came out to be free plus a $2.61 moneymaker. Now that money paid for the next transaction, which was much bigger. So subtotal was $69.74. That was everything else. And then I'm deducting out the 2 fancy cat treats that I got. So $2.48 times 2 will bring me down to $64.78 that I ended up paying for that transaction when you deduct that cat food out. And then I got back $25 from Swag Bucks, $18.28 from Checkout 51, $11.99 from Ibotta, and then $7 from the coupons app. Total back was $62.27 for that deal, which made it a final cost of $2.51. So we made $2.61 and then spent $2.51. Everything in the cart was free with no bonuses needed. Now keep in mind, I did make a total of $10 with the Mercy chocolate. So this was actually everything that we bought today, over an $8 moneymaker, close to a $9 moneymaker, which I think is fantastic for everything that we got. So you guys, let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I can't thank you enough for taking the time to watch this video. It means so much to me. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye.